friends, I'm Miss Havens, and today we are going to practice our power words, and we are also going to practice reading. I'd like to start with our power words first. These are power words that we have done, and then I'm going to give you 3 new power words for you to practice. So let's start with these ones. Just read along with me. Remember, look at that beginning sound. My, see, lots. Can, I, is, a, look, we, am, go, to, the, up, yes, you, like, this, they, an, love, have, at, big, all, little, and back to my. You should be practicing those. You can find the power words on the Eastview website on the home page. All of the 1G power words are there. All of the 2G power words are there. So you can get on, you can read them from the screen, or you can practice writing them also. Write them, read them, whatever you can do to practice. Now I have 3 new words for us today. The first word is this, O-F, of. This is the word she. The letters in she are S-H-E, she. And the third word is he. We have 2 letters, H-E, he. Again, of, she, and he. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to practice reading some sentences. And in our sentences, you are going to see the word of, you will see the word she, and you will see the word he. And you can see those 3 words right up here at the top, of, he, and she. And then these are going to be our other power words that we are going to be reading. My, lots, see, can, I, in, and the. Now you are going to notice that when I'm reading, I'm going to be pointing to my words. We're going to start on the left and move to the right, because we always read and write from left to right. Right? Yes. All right, the title of our little story today is My House. I have some little pictures that we're going to use also. This is people. This is games. This is colors, lights, doors, windows, and books. Now as we're reading, I want you to remember there's going to be a new word on each page, or in this case, on each sentence. We're going to look at that word, look at that beginning sound, look at our pictures and see which picture has that beginning sound. Here we go. I can see lots of books in my house. Books begins with a B. There's my B. Now we're going to follow the same pattern. Look for that new word. Ready? I can see lots of, here's my new word, lights in my house. I can see lots of There's a W. W says w. What do we see that begins with a windows. I can see lots of windows in my house. Oh my goodness, look at, we do not have the word I anymore. Now we're starting with our new power word. Do you remember what it is? Yes, he, H-E. Ready? He can see lots of what begins with people? He can see lots of people in my house. Good. Next. He can see lots of D is for doors. He can see lots of doors in my house. Next. Oh, look at, we have another new word here. S-H-E. What is it? She. She can see lots of games in my house. And our last one, be careful. She can see lots of crayons. She can see lots of crayons in my house. Now, crayons does begin with a C, so that would be correct. But I actually said this was colors. She can see lots of colors in my house. So even if you said crayons, you would still be correct because of that C. Crayons and colors both begin with K. So great job. What I'd like you to do is maybe pause the video, and then from your screen you can practice reading the sentences and using those beginning sounds and your picture clues to read all of the sentences. Then what I'm going to ask you to do is you can go into Bookshelf, and there's a book in Bookshelf called Out of the Hat. And in the book you will see the word of. You can read the book Out of the Hat, and then you can also practice your power words, because remember, boys and girls, the more we practice, the better we get and the smarter we become. So, two things. Practice your power words, go into Bookshelf, and read some yellow leveled books, and don't forget to check out of the Hat. Have a great day and enjoy your reading. Bye-bye.